Ladies and gentlemen, the future has officially arrived. This is not your average electric crossover. This is the all-new Toyota CHREV, and it's turning the EV world upside down. Welcome back to CAR King Exotics, your ultimate destination for luxury, exotic, and next-generation automotive experiences. If you love bold design, breakthrough technology, and real-world car reviews, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you never miss the future of driving. Let's start up front, because this is where the Toyota CHREV truly announces its presence. Gone is the conventional grille you'd expect in a traditional combustion engine vehicle. Instead, we're met with a sealed, aerodynamic fascia that flows like water. The signature hammerhead LED headlamps stretch outward like wings, giving the car a futuristic and aggressive personality. The sharp creases, sculpted hood, and flush design elements scream next-gen design language. Toyota wasn't subtle here. They made a statement. This is the future. The air dams and lower front intake aren't just for style. They're functional, channeling air precisely where it's needed to boost efficiency. Aerodynamics and aesthetics, working together flawlessly. From a side profile, the Toyota CHREV looks like a concept car that somehow made it to production, especially with the doors open. The floating roof effect, rising beltline, and muscular haunches add motion, even when the car is parked. Check out the flush door handles. They pop out automatically when you approach the car. Combined with the frameless doors and coupe-like sloped roof, the design screams modern minimalism. But it's more than just style. It's aerodynamically optimized. Open those doors, and you're greeted by wide, easy access thanks to Toyota's smart hinge design. This crossover blends form and function in a way few EVs in this class can match. Slide into the driver's seat, and welcome to the future of Toyota cabins. The interior of the CHREV is tech-forward, intuitive, and surprisingly premium for a compact SUV. You've got a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, paired with a high-resolution central touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But it's more than just screens. The user interface is responsive, customizable, and super clean. Soft touch materials, vegan leather, ambient lighting. It feels modern yet cozy. Toyota has clearly taken notes from premium brands and brought that same energy into the CHREV. Ergonomics are on point, with physical haptic buttons for climate, a futuristic shifter, and a driving position that feels sporty and commanding at the same time. In the back, the story continues. Rear seat passengers aren't forgotten in this compact SUV. Space is surprisingly generous. Toyota's smart packaging allows for more legroom and headroom than you'd expect in a vehicle with such a sloped roofline. The rear seats recline slightly and come wrapped in the same sustainable, soft-touch upholstery as the front. Rear climate vents, USB-C ports, and even ambient lighting continue the premium experience. This isn't just a commuter EV, it's a full family vehicle. Now let's get into the small details, the kind that elevate this EV from good to exceptional. Contrast stitching across the dash and seats adds a handcrafted feel. The JBL sound system delivers crisp, high-fidelity audio that fills the cabin beautifully. Check out the ambient lighting strips woven into the door panels. You can customize them based on drive mode or personal taste. Think mood lighting, but make it electric. And all of this is made with sustainability in mind. Recycled plastics, low VOC materials, and zero animal-derived products. Luxury doesn't have to cost the planet. Let's talk practicality, because even futuristic EVs need to be functional. The rear hatch opens to reveal a surprisingly spacious cargo area. With the seats up, you get ample room for groceries, luggage, or camera gear. And with the rear seats folded down, it transforms into a flat cargo floor that can rival some mid-size SUVs. There's even a hidden storage compartment under the cargo floor, perfect for stashing charging cables or valuables out of sight. Toyota made sure this EV doesn't sacrifice practicality for looks. Now, under the hood, it's not your usual engine growl, but it packs power in a different way. The Toyota CHREV houses a permanent magnet electric motor, paired with a 64 kilowatt-hour battery pack, delivering up to 220 horsepower and a range of up to 300 miles, all while staying whisper quiet. It's fast, it's smooth, and it's efficient. No oil changes, no engine noise, no emissions, just clean power and instant torque. Maintenance? Minimal. Mile per mile? Maximum. So there you have it, the Toyota CHREV. A car that blends concept car looks, everyday practicality, and advanced electric performance into one stunning package. Would you choose this over a Tesla Model Y or a Hyundai Ioniq 5? Let us know in the comments. Your feedback fuels future reviews. Don't forget to give this video a big like if you enjoyed the walk around, and hit subscribe to join the future of mobility right here on CAR King Exotics.